Hello and welcome back to Bidpulse. Today we are going to learn how to add ShopGoodwill auctions for monitoring and sniping on Bidpulse. The first thing I'm going to do is come over here. Notice I'm on bidpulse.app, click login and say continue with email, sign in. Now I get loaded the front dashboard of Bidpulse. You can see the cards here, but I'm not really tracking anything. So I actually want to track something that is right now up for auction at ShopGoodwill. This is a Lego set. You can see that it already has garnered 18 bids. It's a retired set, so it's popular. And you can see that is those bids are across 6 different unique users starting back in February. And what this is going to tell you is that there's some competition for this. So in order to win this and not get into an escalating bidding war, you're going to have to set your maximum bid to be something that you believe will win the auction, which in this case is probably not going to be $137, not with this many bids. So you might set this to something like 150, 180. Do your own research to figure out like what the value of this is. There's plenty of Lego resources for that. But what we're going to do here is we're going to come up here and take this URL, and notice the end of the URL is this number. That is the same number that is the item ID. It's literally in the URL. So back over here to ShopGoodwill, we click on add auction, and I can either put in that item ID or just paste in the URL. Click add auction. It says that it was added successfully. Now you see this here and you're tracking it, right? It tells you literally that you've got 12 hours, 39 minutes and 49 seconds left to make a bid. Here's the current bid again, pulling this all directly from what you saw on ShopGoodwill. Now, let's say I want to win this. I'm going to say my maximum bid is going to be 180. I have high confidence that I can do this. And then I'll click schedule snipe. And right now you'll see that the snipe is scheduled. And what Bidpulse will do is 4 seconds before the actual auction expires, it'll submit this bid. And if you are the winning user, you'll get the product, and ideally it'll be like $1 more than what the current price is. So your max bid is 180, but whatever the current price is at the time the bid was submitted is what you're going to get, and usually that translates into saving money. So that's how easy it is to use Bidpulse. You'll get SMS messages and emails if you are somehow outbid for this. But right now, this is what it looks like, and you can add multiple auctions to this dashboard, not just one. Thanks.